I kept the promise. I've been waiting for 45 minutes now. He hasn't shown up yet. I sit in this restaurant alone. The waiter keeps looking at me. He probably thinks I was forgotten by my date. Maybe he is right. Maybe I was forgotten. My hands are shaking. I look at my watch again. 6:45 p.m. Leo said 6 p.m. We promised to meet at 6 p.m. on May 15th when we turn 24. Today is May 15th. I am 24 years old. But Leo is not here. I order another coffee. I don't want the waiter to ask me to leave. I need to wait longer. Maybe Leo is just late. Maybe there was traffic. Maybe his train was delayed. But deep in my heart, I know the truth. Leo has forgotten about me. 10 years is a long time. People change. People move on. People forget promises they made when they were children. We were only 14 when we made this promise. I was a silly girl with dreams. Leo was my best friend. We spent every day together in our small town. We walked to school together. We did homework together. We shared our lunch every day. Then Leo's father got a new job in the capital city. Leo had to move away with his family. We both cried when he told me. We didn't want to say goodbye. We were too young to understand that sometimes people have to leave. On his last day, we sat under the big oak tree in the park. Leo took my hand and said we should make a promise. He said when we were both 24, we would meet again. We chose this restaurant because it was our favorite place. We ate here on special days. The old owner always smiled at us and gave us free ice cream. Leo said 10 years would pass quickly. He said we would both be adults then. He said we could be together forever if we still loved each other. I believed him. I believed in our promise. For 10 years, I kept that promise in my heart. I never had a serious boyfriend. Every boy I met, I compared to Leo. None of them made me feel the way he did. None of them had his kind eyes or his gentle smile. I worked hard in school. I got a job at a small company in our town. I saved money. I bought nice clothes. I wanted to be ready for Leo when he came back. But Leo lived in the capital now. It is huge and full of people. He probably met someone better than me, someone more beautiful, someone more interesting. I am 24 now. I should act like an adult. Adults don't wait 10 years for someone. Adults don't keep promises made by children. What was I thinking coming here today? Leo doesn't even have my phone number. I don't have his address. We had no way to contact each other for 10 years. How could I expect him to remember? I feel tears in my eyes. I try not to cry in public. The waiter is still watching me. Other people are starting to look at me too. I am the sad girl sitting alone, waiting for someone who will never come. I should leave now. I should go home and forget about Leo. I should start dating other men. I should find someone who wants to be with me. But I can't move. Something inside me says to wait a little longer. Maybe Leo will come. Maybe he just got lost. Maybe he is looking for me right now. Then I remember something important. 10 years ago, this restaurant was on Oak Street. But last year, they moved to this new building on Main Street. The old building was torn down. They built apartments there. My heart starts beating faster. What if Leo went to Oak Street? What if he is looking for the old restaurant? What if he thinks I forgot about him? I jump up from my chair. I throw money on the table for my coffee. I run outside into the cold evening air. I have to find Oak Street. I have to see if Leo is there. Maybe our promise is not broken. Maybe we just went to different places. I run down the street. My high heels hurt my feet, but I don't care. Cars drive past me. People stare at me. I must look crazy, running in my dress through the town center. When I reach Oak Street, I see a small cafe where the old restaurant used to be. The sign says, Rossi's Cafe. This is the right place. This is where the restaurant was 10 years ago. I look through the window. Inside, I see people drinking coffee and eating cake. I see families with children. I see old people reading newspapers. And then I see him. Leo is sitting alone at a corner table. He looks older now. His hair is shorter and he wears glasses. But his eyes are the same. His sad, worried eyes are looking at the door. He is waiting for me. My heart jumps. He came. He remembered. He kept his promise too. I run inside the cafe. Leo looks up and sees me. His face changes from sad to surprised to happy. He stands up so fast that his chair falls over. We run toward each other. 10 years disappear. We are children again, but also adults who kept their promise. When Leo reaches me, he picks me up and holds me tight. I am crying and laughing at the same time. I thought you forgot, I whisper in his ear.
Never.
Leo says.
I love you, Marin. I always loved you.
We are both crying now. Happy tears. Tears of relief. Tears of love that waited 10 years to be shared. Some promises are worth keeping. Some love is worth waiting for. Do you think love like this still exists? Write your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to enjoy more simple English love stories, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's the best way to learn English while feeling the story. Lesson of the day. Keep a promise. Keep a promise means to do what you said you would do. It's the opposite of break a promise. Examples from the story. I kept the promise. He kept his promise too. We are children again, but also adults who kept their promise. Some promises are worth keeping. Extra examples. My friend promised to help me, and he kept his promise. She kept her promise to call me on my birthday.